Hi, I'm Naturopath Dr. Julian Neil. Today I want to talk about what internal markers of health actually determine how youthful and radiant a woman look. In yogic science, beauty is defined as radiance, and in naturopathic medicine, radiance is not just a surface glow. It's the visible reflection of deep internal harmony. True youthful vitality stems not only from what we put on the skin, but from the health of the systems within. As a naturopath, I've seen again and again that when a woman's inner ecology is balanced physically, emotionally, and energetically, her outer radiance naturally follows. There are 5 key internal markers of health that contribute to a woman's youthful appearance. The first one is hormonal harmony. Estrogen, progesterone, and DHEA are key players in skin elasticity, hydration, and tone. Estrogen in particular supports collagen production and skin thickness. So as levels shift, whether during perimenopause, postpartum, or due to chronic stress, women may notice dullness, dryness, or sagging. The supportive remedies to counteract this are seed cycling or phytoestrogen-rich foods like flax seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, and fermented foods, fermented soy, adaptogens like maca and shatavari to help modulate the hormones, and getting mindful sleep and stress reduction to support the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis known as the HPA axis. The second is mitochondrial energy and cellular vitality. Our mitochondria are the engines of the cell. They generate the cellular energy, ATP, that powers repair, detoxification, and turnover, all essential for bright skin, shiny hair, and clear eyes. And when the mitochondria slow down due to aging, toxins, or poor nutrition, the body appears more fatigued and the skin loses its luster. The supportive remedies to counteract this are CoQ10, alpha-lipoic acid, and acetyl L-carnitine, which all support mitochondrial energy. Getting cold water therapy, called Ishnan in yogic science, now we see it popular in cold plunges, a lot of movement and deep breathing to oxygenate the cells. Eating antioxidant-rich food, berries, dark leafy greens, and sea vegetables. Kelp is a wonder food and herb. The third is inflammation and gut health. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the most silent agers. It contributes to puffiness, uneven skin tone, redness, and hair loss. Much of this inflammation originates in the gut through dysbiosis, or what we call a leaky gut. The supportive remedies for this include eating a lot of probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kefir, yogurt, miso, drinking bone broth, getting L-glutamine or slippery elm in your diet for gut lining repair, eliminating inflammatory triggers. Sugar, on my no list of foods to avoid, sugar holds the top few positions, and often gluten and processed oils for sure. The fourth is detoxification pathways. When the liver and lymphatic systems are overwhelmed, the skin, which is the third but largest eliminative channel, becomes a secondary detox organ, leading to breakouts, dullness, or uneven tone. So a radiant face is often a reflection of clean blood and clear lymph. To achieve this, the supportive remedies are daily dry skin brushing, castor oil packs, and hydration with lemon water, especially first thing in the morning. Liver supporting herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, and burdock root. And doing breath work and getting a lot of movement, especially yoga, and making sure we sweat. Even sauna is powerful. The fifth is emotional and spiritual alignment. Chronic worry, grief, or repressed emotions register on your face. We see it in the eyes, in the tightness of the jaw, or a furrowed brow. Conversely, joy, purpose, and inner peace are profoundly anti-aging. The heart is not just a metaphorical center. It's an electromagnetic organ that influences the entire body's coherence. A calm, aligned heart center radiates beauty. Here are some supportive practices: journaling, inner reflection to process the emotions, therapy, heart-focused meditation, and gratitude practice. And always spend time in nature. Spiritual study and community connection are very, very important. Here are my final thoughts. Radiance is not about reversing age, but about reflecting wholeness. When we nourish the hormonal rhythms, the cellular vitality, the gut-brain balance, and we have a spiritual connection within, a luminous beauty naturally emerges. One that no cream or cosmetic can ever replicate. And every woman has the right to feel vital, to shine from within, and to embrace aging as an unfolding of deeper wisdom and inner glow. The more we align with nature's rhythms, nourish our sacred vessel, and honor the inner world, the more youthful, magnetic, and radiant we become.